Hi, and welcome to Introduction to Business. This short video will give you an overview of how to navigate the course. Here we are on the home page. This is where you should check in every time you log into the course. Here is where you will find updated news or any important information that I need to tell you about the class. On this side of the home page, you will find my email contact, as well as a link, which is not there right now, but will be, to my office hours Zoom meeting, and a printable copy of the syllabus. To access the course content, just click on Content, and you will be able to find anything within the course. Each week's module will open up on Tuesday, and the week's module will run from Tuesday to Monday. To work your way through the module, you can click on each individual item, or you can simply click on an item and work your way through the entire module by clicking the next button. In order to access the discussions, you can either access them through the content by going under Activities for your week's module and clicking on them from there, or you can access discussions by clicking on Discussions on the taskbar. Here you will find the Introduce Yourself discussion board, Ask a Question, and the Interview the Instructor discussion board, as well as the weekly discussions for each module. To access your quiz, you can do so again through Content by going under Activities and clicking on the quiz, or by going to Quizzes and finding your week's quiz. You will only have access to quizzes and discussion boards as they open up from week to week related to each module. To find your grades for the class, simply click on Grades. To hand in assignments for the course, you will go to the Dropbox, and you can click on that to find an overview of the project and also upload your information. To go back to the home page, simply click on Course Home. And to go back to your D2L home page, simply click this icon at the top left corner.